Hey, all you beautiful people! It's Marty out here with Sea on the Mountain, checking on one of my Saskatraz queens. I thought I was needing a queen for this Joe Knutson split over there. They weren't coming along very well, and so I ordered a queen for the Joe Knutson hive. Well, when I went to go and install the queen, I did a double check on the hive, and sure enough, Joe's hive has a queen. Surprise, surprise. That was a little bit of a surprise for me. So then I said, well, what do I do with this extra Saskatraz Queen? Kind of threw me off. So I made a quick split. I think I should have given my bees a little more time. I combined several hives together. I've seen Barnyard Bee do it. And usually you want to wait 8 hours, 10 hours, and let the bees be queenless for a while. I was in a little bit of a hurry and tried an experiment, and I went ahead and combined, shook off some bees and combined a few resources, got them plenty of food, and took care of some things. But clean off something here, and put my Saskatraz Queen in there, and I was hoping that they wouldn't hurt her because it was kind of a rush type deal. But no, they're loving her. They really like her. I did the test that Barnyard Bee did, said see how they're treating the queen. They're not trying to, with their abdomen in there, trying to sting her. They're actually trying to feed her through the queen cage, and they'll eat through that candy here pretty soon, probably in a day or two, and then she'll be released. And we've got plenty of brood in there. Got plenty of food. I probably need some pollen for them. But I sprayed them. The bees were starting to fight a little bit before I put the queen in there, so I sprayed them with some Honeybee Healthy, and that got them all to licking each other and grooming each other, and the smell of I combined two different hives, different bees from 2 or 3 different hives, and shook them off in here. So when I sprayed the Honeybee Healthy, I noticed everybody started grooming, and everything got better, so everybody's okay. Anyway, just thought I'd give you a little update here on the Saskatraz Queens. Thank you, Lappy Bee Supply out of Peru, Iowa. They came all healthy. I have one hive I need to check. They may have a queen, but I don't think they do. Last I checked them, but they did have some queen cells, so we'll check today and see if they have a queen. If not, we'll give them the Saskatraz Queen. If they do have a queen, I'll come back to the bee yard here. I got plenty of resources. I'll do another split, but I'll probably give them a little more time. I thought a bee was going to sting me there, but she didn't. So she had mercy on me. I got one gloved hand and one ungloved hand, and I don't mind getting stung, but not too much anyway. Anyway, that's first bee split with a Saskatraz Queen. They seem to be doing well. Everybody's fanning nicely. They know they have a queen. It's a good day in the bee yard. It's a beautiful day on the mountain. So I love you all, beautiful people. Hope you have a beautiful day. And we got some excitement here in the bee yard. Got another hive here. What I probably will do is split the Grand's hive over there in Sweet Caroline. I may put these bees with one or the other of those, kind of go from there. But anyway, there's a little bit of fighting going on down there. Probably put a queen excluder in, not a queen excluder, an excluder in there, and then I'll put a feeder in and start feeding them up really well. They'll be concentrating on feeding. So I don't know if I have a little excluder around here somewhere. I think I do. I'll go ahead and stick the feeder in. Start feeding them up. Getting them going. There we go. Little feeder. I'm going to have to squeeze that in there a little better. We'll get them fed up. Start taking care of them. So put the lid on carefully. Yeah, we'll see. I hope the bees up north have a queen, because then I can make another nuke and I'll have another hive. So one way or the other, we'll get it all figured out. You got to be flexible when you're a beekeeper. You never know what these bees are going to do. Yeah, I was a little frustrated yesterday because I thought, man, I put these bees in too quick, and I probably did. There's a little bit of forgiveness sometimes in beekeeping. Let me pause this. I got to get this. Here we go. I decided I'm going to do a top feeder on here, and I just reduced them down a little bit down there for a while, and we'll see what happens there. The Amber Francois hive is right next to them. It was a swarm catch hive, and they're doing fantastic. In fact, I noticed last night I'm going to have to probably put a queen excluder on, and then maybe put honey supers on. Quit feeding them, put honey supers on. They're doing that well. So they're doing good. Doing some rearranging over here. I don't like that setup I had back there for my bottoms over there, my stands. So I'm moving everything this way. I'll put 2 boards under there. I'm trying to get a little more height so I don't have to bend down so much. Man, the angle I've got here with some of these stands is not a good angle for your back. So I want to make that a little bit better here. So yeah, we're good news with the Joe Knutson hive. It was a split, and they have queens now. As a queen, everything is going really well. So anyway, share, like, and subscribe. We'll give you an update on this split here, but they're doing well. Really pleased, and I hope you have a beautiful day.